This is the entrance to Kariya Park, and this is to commemorate the friendship between Kariya city in Japan and city of Mississauga. So this is the entrance. Beautiful park right in between this downtown, and you see a lot of mallard taking rest, and in the water body these are the two cherry blossom tree. When it blooms, almost entire GTA comes to see this place. It's such a beautiful sight to enjoy.
Rest. Taking rest. And he will get wake up in afternoon and morning. He's a kissy. No, not there. Hey, the key's here. Truck. Hey, the key's on way too. Eat. Go. Going away. Bring the water. Did you want to? Look at the water's really. It's so full. No water. What? Where's the car?
They're fighting. See, ducky fighting, mallard fighting.
I don't want to. And they want to come first.
See, they're fighting, baby. See?
I don't. This is all of Ryan. What is that?
That squirrel making squeeze sound. That's the sound by the squirrel.
Okay.